How to become a millionaire from scratch with stock market investing real life action plan. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purpose only. I am not a licensed finance advisor. Please consult with your financial advisor before making any investment decision. Have you ever dreamed of becoming a millionaire? What if I told you that with just a small consistent investment in the stock market you could make your dream a reality in 20 or 30 years? No special skill, no degree, just consistency and the power of compounding. The stock market has already made millions of people wealthy and it can do the same for you. Here, how can you become a millionaire? Today, I am going to break down exactly how you can turn a small monthly investment into million over time using the stock market with real life example and simple step you can take today. Watch this video till in the end. I will share a bonus tip with you that will help you achieve your financial goal even faster, especially if you are under 30. This video is a must watch. Let's start with the basic. Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors, say that if you don't have the time or deep knowledge to pick stock, the best strategy is simple: invest in an S&P 500 index fund or ETF, a collection of 500 of the biggest company in the US. Can the S&P 500 really make you millionaire? Absolutely. Over the long term, it has returned an average 10% annually, also known as a CAGR, compound annual growth rate. That means your wealth can grow exponentially over time without having to pick individual stock or time the market. Let's break down the numbers. Imagine you start investing $500 per month and earn an average 10% return per year. After 10 years, you would have approximately $104,000. After 20 years, you would have around $386,000. After 30 years, you would have more than $1,150,000. Congratulations, you are now a millionaire. This is the power of passive investing. All you did was stay invested, be consistent and trust the process. No special skill, no degree, no need to chase hot stocks. Let's make it more practical. Let's say you start with $100 a month. Seem small, right? But this is where the magic happens. In 10 years, that $100 a month would grow to approximately $20,000. In 20 years, it would grow to about $77,000. In 30 years, that same $100 per month would turn into $2,300,000. That is the power of compounding. The earlier you start, the bigger the result. What did we learn from this? Even a small amount invested in a diversified index fund and compound year after year can grow into a significant amount over time. If you had waited to start, you would have missed out on a year of compounding growth. Starting small but staying consistent makes all the difference. Ready to take action? Here a 4-step action plan to harness the power of a 10% return and start building your wealth. Number 1. Create a budget. Set aside a small consistent amount to invest. It does not have to be a lot. Start with $50, $100, $200 or $500 a month. Just make sure you stay consistent. Number 2. Choose a low-cost S&P 500 index fund or ETF (PK) fund that track the S&P 500 like Vanguard Vo. This gives you exposure to 500 of the largest US company, spreading your risks. Number 3. Stay consistent. Set up an automatic monthly investment. Don't worry about the market ups and downs. Consistency beat trying to time the market every time. Number 4. Let time work for you. Remember, this is a long term game. Over 10, 20, or 30 years, your wealth will grow exponentially. Patience is key. Bonus tips: don't wait for the perfect moment to invest. Start with whatever you can, $50, $100, or even $500 per month. Here the secret: increase your investment by 10% every year. These small changes will make a huge difference over time. Let's see the magic. If you start with $100 in year 1 and then increase it by 10% each year, after 10 years, your investment would be worth around $30,000. After 20 years, it would grow to $163,000. After 30 years, would have about $648,000. If you start with $500 per month and increase by 10% annually, after 10 years, you would have approximately $153,000. After 20 years, you would have about $814,000. After 30 years, your investment would grow to $3,240,000. You are almost achieved $1 million within a 28 years after inflation adjust. Now special offer, I am launching my premium course soon. Check the description for exclusive offer. Now it's your turn. Don't wait for the perfect moment to invest. Start with whatever you can. The most important thing is to start now. Stay consistent and trust the process. Remember, time in the market beat time in the market. Start today, build your future. Was this video helpful? Comment below and share your feedback. I would love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more strategy to grow your wealth through smart stock market investing. Let's turn small investment into life-changing wealth together. Start now, invest smart. Remember, it's never too early to start investing. Small consistent action today could lead to a financial future you have only dreamed of. Start now and let the power of compounding create your $1 million story. Thank you. See you soon. Take care. Disclaimer: this video is not for buying or selling recommendation. It's for educational purpose only. I am not licensed holding advisor. Always consult with your licensed financial advisor before making any investment decision. Thank you.